it's Annie with your latest tech update. If you use Google Chrome, you probably love the extensions. They can block ads, reduce distractions, and help you be more productive. But they can also be risky. Some Chrome extensions can be packed with malware. Cybercriminals use them to steal your data or cache. Google keeps a close eye on the Chrome Web Store, but bad ones do slip through. In fact, a report claims 280 million people installed extensions with malware over a 3-year period. So, how can you protect your business? First, think twice before installing a new extension. Do you really need it, or is it just nice to have? Always stick to extensions from well-known developers. If an extension asks for a lot of permissions, be suspicious. Why would a simple tool need access to all your data? And using good security software is always a great safety net. We can make sure your systems stay safe and secure. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.